Hey everyone, it's the Traveling Tacos. Today I am outside of Poncha Springs, Colorado at Monarch Mountain. Monarch is the only mountain in Colorado that doesn't pump any fake snow. It's 100% all natural terrain. I am absolutely stoked. It's midweek, there's nobody here. This place has been on my list for years and I am so excited to finally get to hit it. Really great first day at Monarch. Since it's the first day out of 3, I only explored the north side of the mountain. I probably only did, this is like a third of the mountain, so I'm planning to split it up over the next couple days. So far, my favorite part is the Outback area, the Outback run. So I'm excited to see what we're gonna do over the next couple days.